Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all spring themed garden DIYs. So let's start with DIY number 1. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this Dollar Tree watering can sign. It's so beautiful. I wanted to decorate this. I was thinking and I came up with a nice color and the decoration of the flowers. So I'm going to use these two colors and I want to get like a nice beautiful blue tone that I'm actually going for. So this is the tone I wanted. So I mixed a little bit of the mossy green and lot of the blue to get this paint color, and I'm painting the background all over with this beautiful color. And then after it is dried, I'm also going to decorate the flowers with this beautiful salmon pink and this light pink. I'm going to mix these two colors together and I'm going to paint some of the flowers with this pink tone. And also I wanted to do some with the green leaves and some yellow. So you're going to see all the colors. So this is how this beautiful flowers turned out. Now I'm also painting the butterfly with the same pink color, and one of them is yellow like you're seeing, and the other one is going to be this beautiful bright green. I'm just taking a pinch of it and I'm going to fill in for the leaves just like so. After it is dried, this is how they all look together. Now I'm taking this marker and I'm brightening the letters. Life is good. I'm also giving the stitch lines all around the flowers, and I'm actually taking some of this cute bow, the pink spring bow, to finish the look. I also gave like nice polka dots all around because one of the design had that paper that I'm going to use is having that lot of polka dots on it. So I thought like it should uniformly match all together. So I gave those, and yeah, this is the final reveal of my bright spring DIY, and I'm very happy with the end result, you guys. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use another watering can flower pot from Dollar Tree, and it's coming with a nice kit. I'm not going to use the colors of the kit because they are not that great. So I'm going to use the same blue tone all over, and it's actually absorbs so quickly. The one coat actually gave like a nice bright color that I wanted, and I'm using the same pink color for the flower, and I'm filling center with yellow and the leaves with green. I'm using basically all the same colors. And I also got this wooden leaf set that's also from Dollar Tree, and I'm filling the same bright green all over. And for those raised wooden surfaces, I'm going to decoupage this beautiful tissue paper. And this was the tissue paper I was talking about. I was trying to match this tissue paper colors and the background for all the DIYs today. So I'm actually taking a tiny piece to those leaf surfaces, and then I stuck it, and I added this to this beautiful watering can. And I also distressed it with a little bit of those white paint all over it to give like little aged look to it. And I love how this leaf added more glamour to this watering can flower pot with all those florals. And yeah, and this is one of my beautiful DIY. I'm very much happy with it. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this wooden sign that I got from Dollar Tree. It has got tulip and those beads around it. So I painted the same blue color to the background and the beautiful pink for the tulip all over. And I also am distressing the flat beads with the same pink color all around. And I'm actually, giving like stitched lines all around the tulips, and I'm also giving like polka dots to match the design all around. So I'm just giving like polka dots in a random fashion. And I also created a tiny messy bow with all those green and pink satin ribbon, and also added a tiny pink bead to finish the look. And this is one of the cute garden DIY that's actually going along with other DIYs today. I'm very happy with the end result, you guys. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to use this garden sign. To start with, I'm going to paint the back surface with this white chalk paint. I'm also painting this wooden garden fence pieces, all the colors, and I let it dry and also the paint dry. Now I'm going to decoupage the painted surface with this tissue paper. So I'm just taking generous amount of Mod Podge and I'm going to spread it with a paintbrush, and I'm just placing gently on top of the Mod Podge surface this tissue paper, and I'm just gently rubbing to remove any air bubbles. And I use sanding stone to get the clean edges. Now I'm taking all these wooden fence pieces. Using hot glue, I'm going to stick on top of this wooden board where it has like beautiful verbiage, and I'm aligning all those flowers so they don't overlap but also give like a clean straight line of fence. And one of this garden wooden piece had a watering can, so I painted the same blue color to it, and I drew some flowers off screen. And I'm just taking a little bit of a hot glue and I'm sticking it in one corner. And this turned out to be such a cute garden sign with lot of background with flowers, and also having a fence filled with flowers and butterflies and water can. I also drew some design on top of this watering can to match with it. And yeah, I'm very much happy with this beautiful garden sign. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this wooden tulip picture frame and painting the same blue color all over it, and green for the base and also for the stem. And I actually distressed it with little bit of a darker green to give like aged look. And I also have this painted butterflies that I use for another project, and these are some leftovers from there, and these are like the same Dollar Tree butterflies, and I painted pink chalk paint, and I stuck all those butterflies in the center of the tulip to create like a butterfly nest. And I also attached one yellow bow to the base of it, and I finished with some pink flowers in the center of the bow. And this is one of the cute tulip butterfly nest, and all those butterflies are coming out of their nest. So that's the look I wanted to give there. And I also gave like polka dots all over it and a stitched line to match with all the DIYs today. So this is one of it. I hope you would like it. And you can always connect with me on social media. And these are some of my handles over here. So let's move on to DIY number 6. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this watering can sign. This came with like 5 or 6 pieces in a string. So I'm taking the back part of it and I'm painting with the same blue paint. After it is dried, I stuck with 2 of those garden tool stickers and one of this fern leaf sticker in the center. And I created a pink bow, and I'm going to stick it in one corner of the watering can just like so, and I gave polka dots all around it and stitched lines all around. And I'm also attaching one yellow foam ball on top of the bow, and I'm finishing the look with the one cute butterfly in one corner. And this is another cute watering can sign, and I'm very much happy with the end result. So yeah, this is another one, and I hope you would like it as well. These are some of the spring DIYs that I want to share with you all today, and I wanted to create like a cohesive collection of same design and colors, so I just matched all the DIYs today. So I would love to hear all your thoughts on each one of it, which one is your favorite and you would like to recreate it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And I want to take a minute to thank all of you for giving me such a pleasing and heartwarming comments, and encouraging me to do more DIYs like this. And I'm very grateful. Thank you so much, you guys. And if you like these ideas and if you'd like to join the family, I'll be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And please don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.